Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your bio in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our articles. From here we have to go into the bottom right corner and tap on profile. Then, if we scroll down a bit, we find settings. And here in settings, we tap on profile details. Then, in the middle, we find about me. And here we can just type in some things that we want to share in our profile for people that that are following us. And yeah, we can express ourselves in this part. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.